Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video, we're keeping it real simple. We're going back to basics. If you guys are trying to get back into that fitness journey and you guys need a simple routine that anybody could do from home, this is the workout for you guys. So we're only going to be doing 5 moves. So stop waiting for that motivation. Stop waiting for Monday. Let's start today. You got no excuses. So I'm going to show you 5 moves. All right, guys. So here we go. The first one, we're going to be run in place. The second one, we're gonna be doing jumping jacks. Then we're gonna do body squats. Then we're gonna do push-ups, and then we're gonna do mountain climbers. So if you guys are ready, I'm ready. Let's get this workout out of the way. All right, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. We're gonna do our first move. The first one's gonna be run in place. This is gonna help us warm up. It's gonna get our heart rate up. So we're gonna be here for 30 seconds. So here we go, guys. 30 seconds. If you guys need to modify, you guys could go ahead and just knee up one at a time. Just keep it control. So we're gonna be here for 5 more seconds. And then we're gonna go ahead and go to our second move. Second one, we're gonna go into jumping jacks. This is gonna help us get that full body workout cardio. So here we go. We're gonna do 15 jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you guys want to modify, you guys go ahead and just do one side at a time. So here we go, one more. Our next move is gonna be body squats. So we're gonna do 15 reps of those. So here we go, body squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you guys need to modify this workout as well, you guys could go ahead and grab a chair and just do body squats like this. This workout helps us working our legs, help us with strength as well. So we're gonna 2 more right here. Last one. Okay, and then our next move is gonna be push-ups. We're gonna do 15 push-ups. If you guys need to modify this one as well, you guys could do knee push-ups, or you guys could do wall push-ups, or you guys could even use the chair as well and use incline. So I'm gonna go ahead and do 10. Get this out of the way. So I'm gonna go into push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you guys could do knee push-ups as well. 9, 10, 11, 12. Or you guys could use a chair and just do incline push-ups. Or you guys could use the wall as well. Okay, so you guys could do 3 type of modification on the push-up. And then the last one, we're gonna do mountain climbers. We're gonna do for 30 seconds. Here we go. Seven, 8, 9, 10. This workout help us with our core and cardio as well. And then if that's too much for you guys can go ahead and use the chair as well. And just do mountain climbers right there. So that's the 5 moves. That was 1 set. I'm gonna go ahead and do 1 more set. So you guys pick which type of workout you guys wanna do. So here we go. We're gonna start from the top. Run in place for 30 seconds. Got 10 more seconds here. And we're gonna go to jumping jacks. 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15. Now we're gonna go to body squats, 15 of them. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We're gonna go to push-ups, 15 push-ups. Now we're gonna go to 30-second mountain climbers. Here we go. Ten more seconds. And that's it. That completes the second set. We're gonna do one more. As you can see, I'm already sweating from just 5 basic moves. So you guys could use this workout if you guys need to warm up for any type of sport. I normally do this with my family when we go hiking. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the last set. Catch my breath. All right, here we go, last set. Running place. Ten more seconds. Here we go, number 2, jumping jacks. 15. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We're gonna go to body squats. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, last one, 15, 15 push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 10, 11, 15, 30-second mountain climbers. Here we go. Ten seconds. Whew. So that's it, guys. As you can see, I'm sweating pretty good. Just 3 sets of basic moves. Sorry, I can't even talk. It was just 5 basic moves. My heart rate's up. I'm sweating. So you guys could do this workout from your house. You guys don't need no special equipment. All you guys need is a chair if you're gonna modify the workout. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. If you guys like what I provide for you guys, if this helps you guys, I'm glad he's doing it. You guys could help me out by liking the video, subscribing, sharing it, comment at the bottom if you guys have questions or you guys want to give me any feedback. You guys are more than welcome to do that. So thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next workout. Later.